our ambassador white wine. So we have the Sir Ian Botham series Adelaide Hills Chardonnay. So if we just break down the label, Sir Ian Botham is the branding, Adelaide Hills is the smaller region of Australia where the wines are grown, and Chardonnay is the grape variety. So just pronunciation, it's Sir Ian Botham. And Sir Ian Botham was a famous cricketer, and he's one of our ambassadors for Malmaison. So we work with him on a number of projects, including listing 2 of his wines on our Malmaison core list. The origin of this wine is sub-regions of the Adelaide Hills, which is just north of Adelaide. It's a wine-growing region that's very, very well known for producing fantastic quality wine. It's 100% Chardonnay, and some or all of the Chardonnay that's blended in this blend has spent time on oak. So there is an element of oak aging and oak fermentation in the flavours and profile of the wine. The wine is tropical, it's rich, it's got a really nice level of acidity to balance out the time in oak. But in terms of the oak, it's not too overpowering, so the oak's really well integrated. Food pairing. So this wine is great to have on its own, especially on a sort of winter's day more than summer's day, but it also pairs fantastically with a number of different food dishes. In particular, dishes like roast chicken and something a little bit more meaty on the menu, but not as heavy as like a beef dish. So maybe something like a fish dish, like a roasted sea bass or pan-fried salmon or something like that. So it will go with a variety of foods, and actually it will go with slightly more meatier foods than your average white wine. The perfect serve for this wine is a burgundy glass. So that's our larger, more bulbous, fine wine glass.